and travelling you do.
So if you love the idea of travelling with your family but think it's impossible, click this link and learn how this ordinary family found a way. That's right. If, like us, you believe that your time as a family is an opportunity to have adventures and experiences and learn about the world firsthand, you've probably got a reason that you're not doing it. You need to be realistic about earning money. You need to provide an education for your kids. And there's probably a little bit of uncertainty about what would you actually do if you were travelling full time with your family. So the reality is you stay on a path where you're never really going to have the experiences or the adventures that you crave. And that window of opportunity to make those memories with your family just gets smaller and smaller and smaller by the day, until life just finishes. But we live in a digital age now. It's possible to learn or earn anything, anywhere, anytime. So why is it that we insist on giving up the best part of our day, our week, our life to earn qualifications, to get jobs that we don't really love, and let somebody else decide how much our time or our life is worth? When you click this link, you're going to learn how we're earning money as we travel, working a few hours a day and spending the rest of our time educating our whole family by exploring the things that we love, the things that we're passionate about. So when you click this link, we're going to show you exactly how we've built our life, introduce you to other people so you can find the right way for you. And we're also going to keep you up to date on all our travels so you can get inspired and get information on where you could go, what you could do, and how we deal with the everyday challenges of being a family wherever you are in the world. So click this link and find your own path.